Here I got this ultra cheap Craig speaker. It's a Bluetooth speaker. It's not the best quality. Looks very cheap, and it's also sticky and disgusting, so I'm going to take it apart for you. There are two speakers. This looks like the Beats Pill speaker, but this is way worse. It's missing one of the rubber pads. Like, Craig is not really a good brand at all. I don't rely on their speakers at all. It's the model CMA3569 speaker. Battery's dead, so I would need to charge it to get it to work. It's an ugly micro USB port. It would be better if it was USB-C, but it's not. There's no passive radiator, so this will not sound great. There's your typical on and off switch, aux in, volume up and down buttons, the call, pause button, play button, the rewind, fast forward button, some DEL there. There's a microphone. Yeah, it's just a basic speaker, nothing special, nothing fancy. So I want to take it apart for you. There are two screws to get inside this thing. So there's one on each side. I got this on eBay for cheap. Some used speaker. Definitely would have kept this if it wasn't sticky and dirty. But it doesn't sound great anyways. It's like a cheap dollar store speaker. Oh my god. How cheap the speaker is. They stick the battery to the speaker magnet. It's just a little tiny gas 3.7 volt battery. It has fallen apart already. Not good. Speakers are very tiny, but not the worst. Because they got a neodymium magnet. Look at that, 413 watt speakers. It's the daughter board, and here's the main board. So I'm gonna try to get this apart for you. There are screws that you'll need to remove. There are two screws. Here, right, the fucking see well now. At least the speaker's stereo, but it's not the best quality, like I said. So we need to remove the connectors to get this board out. Wow, the damn microphone soldered to the board. Not good at all. Almost got the board out. It's the puny ass battery. Remove the button board. Only need to remove two screws. Speakers are glued in place, so you gotta use excessive force to get those out. Not good. Something else on this back cover. This will come out. It's just a basic button board. Nothing fancy, nothing special. Cheap ass buttons. Find these easily in toys and stuff like that. Yeah, I didn't care about the speaker that much. Yeah, here's the button for it. There's the DEL there. There's nothing else going on with this board. Let's take a closer look at this board. Want to read the plastic strap. Well, you need to remove 3 screws to get that off. Oh my god. This is the microphone is excluded in place, you can see. Don't care if I break the speaker though. Like I said, it's just a cheap speaker after all. I tried to reroute the microphone for you. Like, I don't care if I break it though. Okay, I think I got it out successfully without breaking it though. Yeah, it's just a little cheap microphone. Nothing fancy, nothing special. Here's what the board looks like. Take a closer look at it. Like, there's Class C amplification though. Hopefully you can read that. Looks like it's the XPT9971 B1439. So I think I read that clearly. This looks pretty much the only chips on there. It's pretty pathetic. Except for the Bluetooth module. You can see that clearly. I'm not gonna read that because I can see it clearly. So you should too. They're better looking chips. Yeah, it's like it's just basic Class C amplification. There's another chip there. Hard to see though. I think it's just some regulator or something. Don't know. Yeah, it's pretty much it on this board. Yeah, the microphone cable fucking came off. I don't really care though. I was only taking this apart. It's just a little sticky and disgusting. Let's try to get those speakers out. It would be great if this had passive radiators, but it doesn't. So it's not going to produce much bass. It's stuck. So we'll have to remove this. I'm probably going to end this video now. So I got the speakers out without breaking the drivers, but I did have to break the enclosure. So this is all done. Don't need this anymore. So here's what the drivers look like. Not bad at all. The solder's coming off easily. Look at that. The wire's about to come off. yeah, it's coming loose. So yeah, but I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching.